Fast and Furious or Mission Impossible? Which movie are you more excited for?
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
Same.
Okay.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
Mission Impossible.
Okay.
I feel Fast and Furious, you can actually turn off your brain and watch the movie.
There have been too many Fast and Furious movies. That's
Actually.
I'm just tired of them now. Just stop them. Just stop it.
Okay. Have you watched any of series like?
No.
Do you know what is this like? These movies?
No.
Mission Impossible.
मिशन इम्पॉसिबल फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस से थोड़ा मतलब वो हाँ बेटर लगता है.
Mission Impossible.
Okay, amazing. Why?
It's something from India, I guess.
Mission Impossible is not from India. Actually, it's a Hollywood movie, Tom Cruise movie.
You're talking about India also had a Mission Impossible.
Mission Majnu. It was, I think, Mission Majnu.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
Okay.
इतना वो नहीं पसंद. बस अपने को कार्स पसंद है तो कार्स. Fast and Furious.
मैंने तो दोनों नहीं देखा.
अच्छा दोनों नहीं देखे?
Same.
Fast and Furious. Fast and Furious.
यस राइट फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस पर फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस में स्टोरी लाइन बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
FNF.
Because it's the cars, it's the amazement, it's the excitement for the racing and everything, and the story they have.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
I don't know. Mission Impossible.
Okay. You haven't watched any of these movies?
I mean, I have watched Fast and Furious, but not
Not
so much
excited.
into
मिशन इम्पॉसिबल.
Tom Cruise, because of Tom Cruise.
मिशन इम्पॉसिबल
Mission Impossible.
फॉर मी फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस. आई लाइक विन डीजल.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
I won't be knowing much.
Haven't watched any of them?
फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and. Okay, I'm excited.
Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
सेम
Okay, I'm